National Engineering College. Work hard in silence, let your success make noise. And with that motto, explore your talent. Talent is everywhere, it only needs an opportunity. Empower your career. Passion is the difference between having a job and having a career. Enhance your future. Your future is molded by your determined actions. National Engineering College, Kovilpatti, Tamil Nadu offers wide variety of high quality technical education and training opportunities for every student, awarding qualifications through highly reputed Anna University. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. Courses offered are electronics and communication engineering, information technology, computer science and engineering, civil engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 160 to 185, for BCM 157 to 173, for BC 150 to 180, for MBC 130 to 168, for SC 98 to 140. The facilities are library, central library which acts as knowledge hub for the academic activities of the institution with a mission to provide knowledge gateway to the user community with the state-of-art technologies. An e-library is equipped with 177 Mbps leased line connectivity for the users. All the library services have been automated on model line and also open access system is being followed. Sports, 400-meter track and field area, well-equipped basketball concrete court with fiberglass board, hockey field and football field, volleyball, kabaddi, badminton and tennis courts, and cricket ground. Hostels, the college provides excellent hostel facility for boys and girls. 800 boys and 800 girls can be accommodated. Uninterrupted power supply, separate generator for students, Wi-Fi facility for 24 hours, banking facility with ATM, and a large modern kitchen with oven and solar steam cooking plant is available. And the other facilities are transport, internet, auditoriums, and NEC business incubator. Placement details are: for 2019-2020 batch, 462 students were placed. And the major recruiters are Zoho, Infosys, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, IBM, Hexaware, HCL, Solaris, Etosintel, Infoview, Ribo, Tavan Technologies, Sharpoji Palanji, Tech Mahindra, Smart DV, UCAL Fuel Systems, Econ Systems, MBIT Wireless, Mistral, Tezol, Vulum, Aptivo, Lucid Imaging, Jasmine Infotech, Centizen, Jilaba, VVDN, Vanalis, Smack Coders, CryptTC, American Megatrends, GoDB Tech, Strategy, FSS, Doences, Broadcam, and many more. The result comparison for year 2017 and 2018. In 2017, 96.95% and in 2018, 75%. College counseling code is 4962. Contact college at 93859 76674, 93859 76684. Website is www.nec.edu.in. And the college is located in KR Nagar, Kovilpatti 628503, Thuthukudi district, Tamil Nadu. And the mail ID is in principal@nec.edu.in.